Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can make a group chat on a Snapchat. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do, you have to open your Snapchat app, and then you have to simply tap on your chat sections. After coming to this, you have to simply tap on this blue chat icon in the bottom right corner. When you tap on this, then you come to this page. When you are here, you have to simply tap on this new group option you can see in the very top of the page. When you tap on this, then you come to this page, and here you can choose as many people that you want to add as your add in your group chat. And after adding as many people as you want, you can simply tap on the chat with group option here in the very bottom of the page. And when you tap on this, then by that you can create a group chat on a Snapchat. So that's it, that how you can create a group chat on a Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. See you next